Igor Pro 10 can be used to control all parts of a scientific experiment. One option for controlling external instruments is to use the new MMI XOP that ships with Igor Pro 10. This XOP makes it easy to use micromanager APIs directly from an Igor procedure. This video demonstrates how to install micromanager and set up the MMI XOP in Igor Pro 10. Click on the blue question mark icon in the toolbar to open the Help browser. Under the Help Topics tab is the XOP index topic. Double-click it to open it, and then click again on the MMI link under XOPs and More Extensions. The MMI Help file has quick start instructions. I'll start by opening Windows Explorer and navigating to the Igor Pro 10 folder, More Extensions 64-bit, Data Acquisition, MMI. Copy the MMI 64.xop file. I need to copy this file as a shortcut into the Igor Extensions 64-bit folder. So I'll go to my Documents folder and navigate to Wave Metrics. Igor Pro 10 user files. Igor Extensions 64-bit. Here, I'll right-click, select Show More Options, and then Paste Shortcut. Close and reopen Igor Pro. With MMI XOP now activated, I have access to the MMI commands. The next step is to download and install micromanager itself. I'll copy and paste the MMI download MM command into the command window and run it. When it completes, the command history will say to run the MMI install MM command. I'll copy and paste that as well. Bring back up the Help and open the MMI demo experiment. This will open a new instance of Igor Pro and the experiment. The instructions are front and center, and the MMI Explorer control panel is already up. Next thing to do is to press Reset to initialize the panel. I'm going to choose the demo camera and then DC cam, and load this device. All the way over to the right is a Loop Demo Cam button. This will run a quick demo of the camera control. Since it's a simulated device, the image is just noise, but it lets me know that MMI and micromanager are both installed correctly and interfacing with one another. I am now ready to use Igor to control the external instruments in my lab. The MMI demo is an example of a common use case for micromanager, automating control of a camera. It is intended to be extended and personalized by users to fit their device control needs. Please refer to the MMI documentation for more information.